Best Motocross Motorcycles 2025, KTM 350XCF Factory Edition. The 2025 KTM 350XCF Factory Edition is setting the standard for cross-country and motocross riders who demand the perfect blend of power, agility, and technology. Known for its versatility, the KTM 350XCF Factory Edition continues to bridge the gap between the smaller 250 cubic centimeters and larger 450 cubic centimeters classes, making it an ideal choice for riders seeking the best of both worlds. Engine and performance. At the heart of the 350XCF Factory Edition is a 349.7 cubic centimeters (DOHC) single-cylinder engine that delivers an exceptional balance of power and control. KTM has refined the engine with advanced fuel injection and a high-compression cylinder head, which contribute to its smooth yet aggressive power delivery. The engine is mated to a 6-speed transmission featuring a PANKL Racing Systems clutch, designed to handle the most demanding conditions with precise and reliable performance. The 350XCF Factory Edition is equipped with a Keihin engine management system that includes multiple engine maps, allowing riders to adjust the power characteristics on the fly to suit varying track conditions. Whether tackling tight woods or wide-open motocross tracks, the 350XCF's engine offers a flexible and competitive edge. Chassis and suspension. Built on a lightweight chromium molybdenum steel frame, the 350XCF Factory Edition provides outstanding stability and feedback. The WP-Zact air forks and WP-Zact shock offer fully adjustable suspension settings, tuned specifically for cross-country racing. This setup ensures that the bike absorbs rough terrain and jumps with ease, maintaining traction and control under all conditions. Design and features. The Factory Edition lives up to its name with a host of premium features, including a factory graphics kit, a skid plate, and a Hinson clutch cover for added durability. A CNC machine triple clamp and a lightweight Akrapovic exhaust system further enhance the bike's performance and aesthetics. The bike also comes standard with electric start and a lightweight lithium-ion battery, ensuring quick and reliable starts every time. Conclusion. The 2025 KTM 350XCF Factory Edition stands out as a top choice for riders who want a bike that can excel in both motocross and cross-country environments. Its powerful yet manageable engine, top-tier suspension, and factory-grade components make it a formidable contender in the competitive world of motocross motorcycles.